Welcome back. So we came to Yellow Springs, Ohio. We've heard a lot about it, but we've never been here. We heard that it's a small hippie town, so we wanted to come and check it out. So we parked the car down the street, and the first thing that we're gonna check out is supposed to be a bird sanctuary, I think.
Called Glen Helen.
Glen Helen.
Glen Helen Raptor Center, I think.
So far Yellow Springs looks pretty cool. This is what it's like walking up to it.
Here they like rehabilitate wild birds.
This is what the backside of it looks like, but we just walked up to it and the sign said that they're currently closed to the public, so they do have open restrooms on the other side. So I guess we're just gonna look around and then we're gonna head into town. It's really cool where it's located at, like in the middle of the woods.
Yeah.
It's different. So this is the Raptor Center. It's a real owl in there. I've never seen a real owl before.
Oh my goodness, it is. Look at him. Wow.
There's a little one. I don't know if you guys can see it if I zoom in. It's like back there. So each one of these cages has owls, I think, in it. Dang, look at this one. Ari. He's been here since 2001. Yeah, because the gates are in the way. Look how pretty he is.
Oh, he's a big daddy. See how they blend though?
So he does travel for select educational programs. But because he's older, he's semi-retired. It's pretty sweet. I've never seen a real owl. It's my first time. This one has two. As you can see them. They're all the way back there.
Oh yeah.
They're barred owls. They live in wet woods, swamps, and river bottoms. This is Henry and Magnus. They've been here since 2009. So it looks like they keep the species separate. Those were all the owls on this side, and there's actually more. This is a hawk. I think these might be hawks, and then on that side it looks like they get bigger, but I guess we'll find out when we get there. This one is Sammy. She's been here since 2015, and she broke her wing when she was less than a year old.
Oh my gosh, they got a baby chick. She eats baby chicks.
Oh,
You
can see it. It's a baby chick, that yellow thing right there.
That's what she eats.
She is right there. Sammy.
No, she got a broken wing. Hi.
And this is Bullet. Oh, there he is right there.
Ooh, look at him.
He was found in 2020 with a broken right wing and neurological trauma. They think that he ran into a window. looks like he wants to fly. There he goes. He's about to go. He's gonna attempt it.
Hi.
There's 2 red-tailed hawks in this cage. Haleen and Will. Haleen is a family red-tailed hawk. Female since 2011, and she was starving because of a wing fracture. And the male bird, which is the red-tailed hawk, he was injured in 2014 in Medina County, Ohio. He had trauma and a broken leg. Here's the good part. This is a bald eagle, you guys. Oh my God. We've been trying to find bald eagles since like all winter long.
Wow.
I don't know if you guys can see it because I have it zoomed in all the way.
Graham.
His name is Graham, and he's been here since 2014. He had a broken wing that did not heal well enough for him to fly. So therefore, he cannot do things that he needs to do to survive on his own. That's crazy. I love eagles. Ever since we've been eagle watching, I really enjoy going out and looking for them.
That's an up close
I
one.
don't know if you guys could see them or not. This is a turkey vulture. There's 3. Oh, there's the other one in the cage back there. And then there's one right here. He's a big daddy. Oh, he just sneezed. We missed it.
It sounded like a bark.
Tag, Warren, and Wolf. They've been here since 1998. Well, Tag is a female. She's been here since 98 with old wing fractures. Tag's mate was been here since 99, and Wolf since 22. Oh, so when disturbed, they make a noise which sounds as if he is saying woof. So that's why it sounded like he sneezed. So we disturbed him.
He barked at us.
We're sorry, Wolf. We didn't mean to disturb you. You're just pretty cool.
Hi. Okay, so this is Young's. We already had some ice cream and now we're checking out the barn animals. Look at the little piggies. It stinks in here. Stinking to high heaven.
This stinks bad in here.
What we got? Oh, looky here. What we got here?
What's that, deer?
Oh, what it is?
I think it's a deer. Or is it it's a baby
It's a
cow?
cow, honey. It's not a deer. Hi there. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, it's a cow.
Look at y'all. Maximus.
Oh, yeah, this is the nasty, nasty, nasty. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's a great video right there.
¿Dónde como
I don't know.
pollo en el armamento? Mira, por eso.
Wow, never seen that before.
¿Viste?
Oh my God, step back in case that one decides to. They're going outside. Yeah.
So when they decide when to leave from there?
No, they're unhooking them. You're all right. They're unhooking
When they
them.
unhook them, they go outside.
Yeah, they know what to do. Hi. What are you doing? This one wants to say hi. Hi there. They do. That's what she said. What the heck is that, deer? Hi. Enough.
I don't want to get bit.
They only have one set of teeth. Did you not know that?
Not at all, baby.
Why this one ain't going nowhere?
Well, that's where your milk comes from, so.
Yeah. And all that ice cream. Stay away from that. Yeah. Well, hi. Did you know they did all that? Oh.
And you notice everybody knows the system.
Why do you keep bugging that one?
Because he don't get to go outside.
He does. I thought he was unhooked already.
Become another one.
In here, what do they do in here?
This is where they probably bring them in to milk them. Now they're going out to the pasture. Look, there's kitties down there. Why is there cats? They're barn cats.
Look, that one waits till the end. Is that pregnant?
I don't know. She wanted to be the last one. Now we got some goats. Hi. The goats look a little less messy. What is he doing? He's just chilling. He wants food. He's mad you don't have any food for him.
What's that one doing?
Getting an itch on him. He's itching himself. Whoa, look at him. He's getting into it. Dang, look at this one side. He been eating everything.
I look like Sarge.
He got a beard. Look at his beard. Yes. They seem a lot cleaner. Baby cow.
He's drinking it like a human.
Is that good? Oh, there you go.